Halo, selamat datang teman-teman. Gue Zain dan kali ini kita akan bermain game Alan Wake ya. Ini game udah dari saya zaman SMA, udah pengen main cuman belum kesampaian, baru sekarang bisa kesampaian. Lalu kemarin kan dibilang di video perkenalan channel kalau video game pertama itu Resident Evil ke-8 yang Village. Cuman ternyata tadi pas mau record Resident Evil Village-nya nge-crash dan gak bisa dibuka gitu. Jadi mungkin kita akan main Resident Evil Village-nya habis selesai Alan Wake, dan gue bakalan cari salahnya di mana gitu, kenapa kok nggak crash gitu. Oke, mari kita langsung saja new game, dan difficulty-nya normal aja kali, karena isi kurang kayak normal. Let's go.
Stephen King once wrote that nightmares exist outside of logic, and there's little fun to be had in explanations. They're antithetical to the poetry of fear. In a horror story, the victim keeps asking why, but there can be no explanation, and there shouldn't be one. The unanswered mystery is what stays with us the longest, and it's what we'll remember in the end. My name is Alan Wake. I'm a writer. I've always had a vivid imagination, but this dream unsettled me. It was wild and dark and weird, even by my standards. So yes, it began with a dream. Following a typical nightmare pattern, I was late, desperately trying to reach my destination, a lighthouse. For some urgent reason, I couldn't remember. I'd been driving too fast down a coastal road to get there.
Nabrak orang.
I'd seen the hitchhiker too late. He was dead. I was convinced they'd put me in jail and I would never see Alice again.
Kok hilang? Mayatnya tiba-tiba hilang ya, betul.
Suddenly, his body was gone.
Episode pertama, Nightmare.
I was in shock from the crash. I could hardly stand my feet.
Reverse. Jadi sebelumnya ini tadi kan udah diceritain kalau si Alan Wake ini seorang penulis ya. Terus tujuan dia tuh mau ke lighthouse atau kayak menara mercusuar gitu. Tapi dia sendiri nggak tahu sebenarnya mau ke menara mercusuar tuh tujuannya apa. Itu awalnya dari dream, dari mimpi dia, pokoknya disuruh ke mercusuar. Oke, terus tadi dia nabrak orang dan tiba-tiba pas dicek orangnya udah nggak ada atau hilang. Terus shift to sprint, shift buat lari.
I had to go to the lighthouse. I knew there was something important waiting for me there.
Katanya dia harus pergi ke lighthouse atau mercusuar karena dia tahu kalau ada yang penting di mercusuar.
You don't even recognize me, do you, Ryder? You think you're God? You think you can just make up stuff? Play with people's lives and kill them when you think it adds to the drama? You're in this story now, and I'll make you suffer.
Space.
missed your deadline!
Kalau dia
Damn.
shift dots
You can't stop me!
dots attack sebelum dari serangan. Bisa.
I realized that the hitchhiker was a character from the story I'd been working on.
Oh, jadi kan tadi di awal kan yang apa tadi manusia atau bayangan dia kan bilang tanya ke apakah kamu yang mengenal aku? Terus pas habis tanya dari serangan dia ternyata Alan Wake ingat kalau bayangan
How does it
manusia
feel to die by the hands of your own creation?
I was trapped. There was no way out.
Jadi yang tadi cowok di luar tadi mas keluar terus
The cabin was a death trap. I had to get out. Follow the light.
like ikuti cahayanya katanya. Tapi nggak tahu itu yang bilang sih. Terus gimana? Lompat.
You are hurt. You should go into the light. You are only safe there.
Kalau di lampu dia nge-heal.
Well done. I have something important to tell you. It goes like this. For he did not know that beyond the lake he called home lies a deeper, darker ocean green, where waves are both wilder and more serene. To its ports I've been. To its ports I've been. Do you understand?
No.
Follow my light.
Ikuti lampu.
I entered your dream to teach you. The darkness is dangerous. It's sleeping now. When it feels you coming, it will wake up. There's no time. I can only show you the most important thing. The hitchhiker has been taken over by the dark presence. You can't hurt him now. The darkness protects him from all harm. Only light can drive the darkness away and make him vulnerable again.
Mana ada orang?
Here, take the light.
Gimana? Oh ini flashlight.
Turn your flashlight toward him and burn the darkness away. You did it. Now the darkness no longer protects him, but it's still inside, controlling him. He can't be saved. He's still a threat. He is still your enemy. Here, take the gun.
Now you'll die.
Oh, jadi bayangan tadi.
Good. You've done well. Remember what I've taught you. That is all. I will give you back your dream now.
Center baru dia bisa.
In the nightmare, a terrible darkness was taking over the world. The lighthouse was the last safe place on Earth.
Boosting the light with. Oke. Kalau misalkan jadi kalau dipencet klik kanan dia lebih kayak memfokuskan cahayanya.
This is it.
Tadi masih yang satu ya? Udah. Lari. Checkpoint. Apa ini dibuka apa? Oh, ada flare gun sama flare gun ammo. Switch weapon. Oh, oke.
Just like
Ada tiga. No. Reload lagi. Pelurunya tinggal 14 ya. Harus juga. Nah, jatuh dia. Belum dia apa jatuh dia. Checkpoint reach. Oke.
I can keep this up forever.
Dia udah masuk ke modus.
He's here. Alan, wake up. Shh, baby. Just another nightmare. Everything's fine. You dozed off.
Right. Anything more than dozed off would be news for everyone.
Cheer up, handsome. We're here.
Dari tadi cuma kirain sama orang itu. siapa? Ini istri kita kan?
Let's act like we're on vacation. Go stand next to that old gentleman there. I want a shot of you with the town in the background.
Sure. I'll even give you a title for the shot. A city boy, moments before he got eaten by a bear.
Pose for Alice. Alice. Sini ya.
Hi.
Hello there. You picked a good time to visit our town. Deerfest is just 2 weeks away.
Deerfest, huh? Did you hear that, honey?
You have a lovely wife. If you don't mind me saying. I'm Pat Maine, by the way. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm Alan Wake.
I won't pretend I don't recognize a famous writer such as yourself, Mr. Wake. A pleasure. I'm an avid reader myself. I hope this isn't too presumptuous of me, but I'm the night host at the local radio station. Any chance I could get an interview?
Look, Mr. Maine, I'm on vacation. In fact, I'd appreciate it if we could keep my being here just between the two of us. I'm sure you understand.
Fair enough. You can trust me to be discreet. Not a hard man to track down if you change your mind, though. I hope you two have a lovely holiday.
Jadi intinya mereka kan datang ke kota ini ya, si Alan sama si Alice. Terus kata orang ini tuh 2 minggu lagi bakalan ada pesta, Deerfest pesta gitu. Terus mereka berdua diundang sama orang ini buat datang ke pestanya gitu kan. Tapi si Alan Wake ini menolak, kata dia mending buat kayak menghabiskan waktu berdua sama istrinya.
Very nice. I got a couple of really good ones.
Mana coba
I
lihat
see
foto.
you made a friend. That's cute.
Right. Yeah?
Hey, bestseller, how's my favorite writer? Are you there yet?
Barry. Yeah, we just got here.
Are the locals giving you trouble? Just say the word and I'll hop on a plane and come make sure that you're left alone, Al.
No, Barry, we're fine.
Great, great. Just want to make sure you can relax and recharge. So, how is the place? Has it gotten your creative juices flowing?
Barry, we're just settling in.
Okay, Al. I'll call back later to make sure you're doing okay. And you call me if there's a problem, okay? Okay. I'm just looking out for you, buddy. Talk to you later.
I love you too, Barry.
You know he's going to be calling you every 5 minutes.
Barry is Barry. I can always turn off the phone.
What did I tell you?
Text message from Barry. He says hi to you too.
Alan, we're here. Come on, let's get back to the car.
Get back to car. Carnya mana? Ini mana sih? Oh iya, Oh iya.
We need to stop at the local diner to get the cabin key from the landlord, a Mr. Carl Stuckey. He's waiting for us. I'll go fill her up while you get the key. I'll pick you up here in, say, 15 minutes.
Sure.
Alan, thank you for coming here with me.
I love you too. Go on. I'll promise to behave. I'd forgotten there were still places like this. Towns where everybody knew everybody.
Welcome to the Oh Dear Diner.
Hi, I was wondering if you could help me. I'm looking for...
Mr. Wake. Alan Wake. Oh, God! I am your biggest fan. I know people say that all the time, but I really am.
I'm glad to hear that.
Rose.
Rose, I'm looking for Mr. Stuckey. Carl Stuckey?
Carl? Of course, Mr. Wake. He must have gone to visit the restroom. He'll be back in a moment. I can't believe it. I've got all of your books.
Oh,
I
jadi-
got the cutout from the bookstore when they took it out of the window.
And you keep it here. Well, okay. Good for you.
Jadi ternyata Alan Wake ini dia penulis terkenal, bukan penulis biasa, ternyata dia penulis
Try the coffee. Just don't blame me when you fall in love, 'cause it'll break your heart when you have to leave.
Rusty here is no longer human. Nothing but black coffee under a thin layer of skin.
Yeah, that makes
Do
two
me a
of us.
favor, Sonny. I could really use a tune right now. Coconut, number 6 in the jukebox. I'd do it myself, but both of my legs have gone to sleep.
1 sampai 100.
Bad circulation. Yeah.
Are you serious?
Coconut
Tadi
again?
kita ketinggalan.
You-
Go in there, young man. You can hurt yourself in the dark.
I think I can handle it, ma'am. I didn't want to wait. I wanted to find Stucky, to get the key and get out as soon as possible. The waitress was giving me a headache. Overeager fans always did.
Ketinggalan satu pas sebelum naik ke menara ya. Terus kata ya nenek tua itu jangan pergi ke kegelapan katanya. Kamu bisa terluka kalau masuk. Isi
Hello?
kula duun.
Mr. Stucky?
Oh, pintunya dikunci.
Carl couldn't make it. Unfortunately, he was taken ill. But I have the key for you and instructions on how to get to the lake.
Okay.
I wish you a good stay in my cabin. I'll come by later to check how you've settled in. And to meet your wife.
Kok dia tahu?
I insist.
Thanks.
Minimal gak usah ngagetin lah, Bu. Kan bilang
Cauldron Lake is a special place. Very inspiring.
leave the diner. Kok dia tahu kalau kita punya istri?
You got lucky this time, young man. You can hurt yourself in the dark. This really ought to be fixed.
Even that sounds better than your singing.
Are you alright?
Splendid, splendid! Damn hernia!
The Andersons, they're, local musicians. We're waiting for Dr. Hartman to come pick them up. They wandered off from his clinic at the Cauldron Lake Lodge.
Dari tadi mereka pada
Bye, Mr. Wake.
di kabin di Lake Lodge. Kabin di
Mission accomplished. The key
danau.
and the directions.
My hero. I got some flashlights, just in case.
Hey, wait! Mrs. Wake! Your keys!
Lah, itu Stucky. Terus tadi yang ngasih dia kunci.
That diner was a real nut house.
Can you believe this place? This would make a wonderful setting for a book.
We're supposed to be on vacation, Alice. I'll figure it out when we get back home. Okay?
Okay. We can talk about this later.
Batman here on KBFF.
I didn't want to talk about it. I wanted to bury my head in sand.
Here's another one of my favorites to go with it.
Once upon a time, I was a successful writer, but that was a long time ago. I hadn't been able to write a word in 2 years, not since my last book.
And now the weather. It's gonna be a clear night, so you folks in the big city might want to look up every once in a while, see those stars winking down at you. It gets pretty dark out here, but they'll light your way.
Katanya si Alan ini dia kan penulis yang terkenal ya, cuman 2 tahun kebelakangan dia
It's
udah
gorgeous,
bukan nulis
Alan.
buku lagi.
It's something, all right. Don't worry, honey. I'll get you inside safe and sound before it gets dark. And I've got the flashlight.
I know. I'm okay.
Alice had a phobia, the fear of darkness. I wanted to make sure we were inside with the lights on before sunset.
Si Alice itu takut sama kegelapan. Jadi kayak yang nenek-nenek tadi ditemuin di restoran, dia kan juga bilang kalau kegelapan bisa melukai seseorang, melukaimu itu nih. Sama kayak Alice juga ternyata punya fobia kegelapan. Terus tadi kan
Here we go. Let's take a look inside.
Mr. Stucky kan ternyata ada. Jadi siapa yang ngasih? dia
It's dark in there. We need lights. Can you figure out how to get the power on, honey?
Hello? Anyone here?
Get the power on, suruh nyari apa ya, kayak saklar gitu lah bisa dibilang. Nggak ada di luar, berarti oh ini ada termos. Oke, berarti di atas. Ada kepala rusa digantung. Kanan kiri kancut.
The cabin looked like a time capsule from the 60s, or even earlier.
Kata si Alan ini kabinnya tuh udah kayak zaman dulu banget itu, dari tahun 60-an atau malah sebelum tahun 60-an, 1960 gitu.
For a moment, the oppressive feel of the nightmare I had seen on the ferry returned. Damn.
Foto apa penyelam kayaknya, ya kan?
I needed to get the power running in the cabin. There had to be a fuse box or a generator somewhere on the island.
Get the power on. Lah, kemana?
The power cable goes to that shed over there.
Oh, di sini. Apa ini? Oh, tadi ada examine. Oh, ini.
The island had once been the site for a love story. Maybe it would be that again.
Dulu juga ada pernah yang nyewa kabin tuh ya, pasangan seorang ya pasangan. Sebelah mana? Sini kan? Bukan. Pasti ada pintunya pasti. Mana pintunya? Oh, nggak ada. Lompat kah? Ini bukan pintu ke belakang, bukan. Oh, ini ya? Oh, bukan. Kemana masuknya? Lompat kah? Nggak bisa. Oh, ini.
An old generator had been connected to the power cable.
Harusnya rumahnya
The
sekarang.
lights are on. Good work, honey. I'll freshen up a bit and start settling in.
Okay, I'll look around a bit.
Sure thing. Have fun.
It was a beautiful place. I told myself I could rest here, sleep here, and forget about my work. I thought we could be happy here.
Return to Alice. Checkpoint reach. Kenapa checkpoint? Meresahkan. Biasanya kalau ada checkpoint tuh pasti bakalan ada kejadian, suatu kejadian. Alice? Alice?
Alice? Honey?
Alan, I'm
Oh, di atas.
upstairs. I have a surprise for you.
Alice? Oh, iya.
Well, hello there.
I'm not the surprise. It's in the study. Go take a look.
In this
Okay.
Mana? Mana? In the study tuh di meja, berarti coba di kamar satu ya. Oh, ini dia.
Surprise!
Alice? What is this?
I guess I have a small confession to make. I thought maybe you could write here that a change of scenery would get you past...
Damn it, Alice! Everyone
Hey,
keeps...
hey! Just hear me out! There's a local doctor, Dr. Hartman. I read a book of his. He has a private clinic here. He specializes in helping artists. Maybe...
So now you want to get me committed?
No! It's not like that. That's not... Alan? Alan?
Just don't! I don't want to hear it! God damn it, Alice! God damn it!
I knew she wouldn't follow me in the dark. I needed some time alone to think things through.
Kasar ya sama istrinya. Nggak boleh. Parah sih.
Damn it.
Tadi juga pas lampunya mati kayak ada bayangan seseorang gitu di samping istrinya.
Alice?
Alice? Alice!
cabin had gone dark. All the lights were out.
Alice, I'm coming! It's all right, I'm coming!
What the hell?
Help me!
Alice? Alice?
Istrinya kemana? Tenggelam.
Oh no!
Keep going. Wake up.
Alice?
Waking up in the crashed car felt like I had woken from one nightmare and entered another. I couldn't remember how I got there. All I knew was that something terrible had happened to Alice. The phone was dead. I'd have to find help on foot.
Oke, mungkin segitu saja ya teman-teman buat episode pertama Alan Wake ini, karena udah kelamaan ya, nggak kelamaan maksudnya durasinya udah cukup kayaknya. Terus tadi kan si Alan kan dia nyebur buat nyelamatin istrinya ya, tapi tiba-tiba pas dia bangun dia ada di kecelakaan mobil. Terus dia bilang kayak bangun tuh kayak habis dari mimpi buruk, tapi bangun juga dia mengalami mimpi buruk. Mungkin segitu saja. Terima kasih teman-teman yang udah nonton. Sampai jumpa lagi di episode selanjutnya. Bye bye, dadah.